Try to know the people that you live with. Um, Getting people off of Craigslist, while it seems convenient, is often a problem. Can become unreliable. People may not pay. One kid, actually, he was just sitting there doing nothing, and his parents pulled him out, and we found ourselves roommates short, and therefore we had to pay. We were paying $500 a month for an apartment. Suddenly, it jumped to seven. No way I could pay that, so we actually got in touch with his parents and worked out a deal, luckily without getting any sort of lawyers involved, where she paid the rest of the rent for the term on the lease, because otherwise we would have been in some trouble. And then we would have maybe pursued it legally, but I'm not sure. So I'd say roommate-wise, know who you're getting, make sure that they're financially secure, or at least can come up with rent or utilities or what have you.